My name is Teacher Sophia. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in English with specialization in communication. I'm an enthusiastic teacher who loves creating fun, interactive, and engaging lessons that help students build confidence in using English. I believe that learning is most effective when it's enjoyable. So I bring positive energy, encouragement, and a smile to every class. I'm proud to say that teaching is one of my passions in life. I love singing and reading, both of which help me stay connected to language and culture in different ways. I'm always excited to keep growing as a teacher and to support my students on their journey to fluency and confidence. Let's learn and have fun together. What are you waiting for? Come and join me and let's explore the world of English. See you in my class!